In this video, we'll guide you through the process of applying your MailCase mailbox numbers. For best results, we recommend watching this video a few times before you get started. First, we suggest placing your numbers on the center panel of the lower door of your mailbox. Start by cleaning the surface with alcohol or soapy water. Make sure the area is completely dry before you proceed. On the back of the numbers, you'll find the 3M adhesive backing. The transfer paper is on the other side with the numbers sandwiched in between. Before removing the transfer paper, place the numbers on a flat surface. Using the edge of a credit card, gently scrape over each number, pressing firmly. This step helps ensure that the numbers adhere well to the transfer paper. Although we perform this step in our shop before sending your numbers, we recommend doing it again to guarantee a secure application. Next, carefully peel away the transfer paper from the adhesive backing, starting from the right side and moving towards the left. Take your time with this step to make sure the numbers remain attached to the transfer paper. Sometimes, part of a number won't come cleanly off onto the transfer paper. If this happens, carefully place the transfer paper back onto the backing and rub your fingernail over the number to give it more adhesion. Sometimes it also helps to separate the transfer paper from a different direction to help pick up the number. Now, position the numbers on your mailbox, ensuring they are centered and level. Use the credit card again to press down on each number, making sure it sticks securely to the mailbox. Finally, slowly remove the transfer paper from the mailbox. Start peeling from the top right corner and pull down at a sharp angle, and the numbers will remain in place on the mailbox. Occasionally, when peeling the transfer paper off the mailbox, the numbers may start to partially peel off with the transfer paper. If that happens, carefully stick the transfer paper and the numbers back onto the mailbox. Rub your fingernail gently over the number, and then start peeling the transfer paper back off.